Well, shoulder replacement surgery has had kind of an iffy reputation, at least until now. Engineers and doctors have devised a new kind of total shoulder replacement that's actually bringing smiles and mobility to patients. We found a woman, in fact, in Boone County, whose shoulder replacement is giving her hope for a long, happy, pain-free marriage. It's tonight's For Your Health. It was during the Super Bowl last month that Nan Fitzgerald's husband knew his wife was finally pain-free.
Without thinking, I went, touchdown! And he looked at me, he said, I know you're gonna be just fine now.
But just a few months earlier, Nan was racked with pain in her right shoulder.
They always ask you about pain level. They give you 1 to 10. Well, I'm here to say it was like a 20.
She has wearing or narrowing of the joint space in here.
Nan had arthritis.
Things been doing all right with the shoulders?
But she started looking for answers. She found Dr. Tom Kaplan, who suggested she try a total shoulder replacement using a new device.
This newer design achieves two things. One, it allows you to remove the ball part so we can get access to the socket, do a good job, make sure we remove any extra bone growth that's present. But we don't have to put a big stem in anymore. So it doesn't go down into the stem.
It works like this. The surgeon prepares the bone by sizing, planing, and drilling. Metal pieces attach and provide stability and protection, and then the implant goes in.
We can remove just the ball, and then we fit the top part of the bone with an implant that doesn't extend as far down.
Turns out the new stem, which is shorter and rounder, has advantages.
I mean, look at this.
Patients did as well as traditional shoulder replacement surgery, but they found less blood loss after the surgery, and an equivalent as far as pain control and restoration of activities. You know, younger people tend to be more active and put more demands on their shoulder.
Nan feels young.
Thank you for taking such good care.
And reducing the pain in her shoulder lets her get back to her first priority, her husband of 13 years.
I've always wanted a marriage like this, and it is true love, and you don't find that often. And I want to live the longest, best life to spend with him as long as I can. So anything that I can do to keep myself going, I'm gonna try to do as long as it's safe.
Now, this new total shoulder is made by Wright Medical out of Tennessee. It's been on the market for a year and is approved by the FDA.